Alright, welcome back YouTube. Sorry for the wind. This is the 1980 Chevrolet Camaro I've been working on. I've realized I've not made a video. Well, I made a video originally, and it was because I just got the lower control arms from Rock Auto and the upper control arms that are supposed to be factory length from Speedway Motors. They take the K6024 ball joints, but then you'd have to remount your factory spindles. So I gave a shout out over to QA1 and got a hold of them, and a guy over there was nice enough to let me browse through some stuff, and he told me that these K6024 uppers that they have, which that's a Moog part number, but I can't remember what their exact part number is for it, but the top hatch is for the rebuildable ball joint. And it goes to the 10 degrees taper for the Camaro. It's all rebuildable and they all fit together as if it was factory. And then I bought the QA1 adjustable coilovers for the front end, and they went in really nicely. Had no issues with them. They're the 24-way dampening and 350-pound springs, and right now I don't know what dampening they're set up to right now, but they seem to be all right. It's fairly easy to move it up and down. I'm hoping that this angle of the wheel gets fixed with the engine and the trans. There's the transmission over there. I have to get it rebuilt, and there's a 6-liter LQ4 that is getting stuff down into here with a Holley Terminator X engine management system. All right, so go off of measuring this, see where they're at. They're supposed to be 9 1/4 for factory length, and I think I might have got 9 1/2 to the top of that bolt hole, and it looks like 9 1/2. Well, that's my own fault. Now I need 9 1/4, so I'm not going to space those out. I'm just going to buy new ones. So anybody in the Athens area, Athens, Ohio, or heck, I'll ship them on your expense. Out here, just looking over the car, making sure, since it's sitting so close to this road, making sure nobody's going to take anything. I just wanted to add in something. Last night when I was going through the videos, I noticed I didn't say anything about, we now have merchandise. You can get onto our Facebook page at Rags to Wrenches on Facebook, and Instagram as well. Both will be in the description. And also, last night I went out and hung out with a friend of mine down in Vienna, West Virginia, and his YouTube channel is Fast Boys. Go and check him out. But he has a lot of good stuff for the future. He does some tool reviews. That's what I was there for last night. You have to check it out when he posts it. I don't know when that's going to be, but I'll go ahead and show you. I'm wearing our new shirt now. It's just has our logo, it's on there, and then it's the same logo on the back, just a bigger version of that logo. Just want to throw that in.